Hi guys, I don't know who else has been struggling with the post-COVID acne, the masked acne, because I have been struggling with it since. I'm going to be sharing my products. So I always start with a cleanser. It's a gentle clear from Cetaphil. I always try to add a little bit. He also has salicylic acid, which is a known product for helping treating black spots and all that. So I'm gonna rinse my face and I'll be back. So that was my step number one, the cleanser. And then I use this clean face towel instead of using like the regular ordinary towel because it kind of little rough on the face. So these ones have been amazing on my skin and I'm seeing some improvement just using this one. And then when I'm kind of drying, I just pat to dry. I don't go circular motions. So no, I just pat it. Oh, see, I'm dry. So that was step one. Most of the time, step two is usually a toner. But because I want to keep my pores open so that they can, absorb the product, I'm gonna go in with this serum. It's usually my step two. It's from, I'm sure so many people have seen it. It's a peptide booster from COSRX. And I just do generous amount until it dries off. It can take like a minute or two. And when you're massaging your face, massage this way, not. Never forget your under eyes. Oh my goodness, this spot here, I think that's where all it starts striking. So I'm becoming very conscious about it. So once it's all dry and there is no anything running on the face, I go to step number three and I use the retinol. But the best time to use retinol is at night. Why? Because of increased sun sensitivity. The retinol makes your skin more sensitive to the UV rays, so using it at night reduces the skin, reduces the risk of sun damage and irritations. This one is also COSRX, and this is a 0.3. So you just do a pea size. That's pea size. And this one, you have to do small spots. And I always make sure that I'm not using the whole hand, so I just use 2 fingers and spread it. I still use the same motion, like outward motion. I concentrate on where I see like my face is having a lot of trouble. But yeah, this can make somebody very vulnerable. Sometimes you want to make everything easy for yourself, but you can't. You become so conscious when you're outside with people. So step number 4, because the retinol makes you feel a little dry, you can use either a moisturizer or a face oil. This is what I use at night. And that's my simple nightly face routine. I don't have 10-step process. I want to make it simple so that I can stick to it and so that I can be able to evaluate the product. So the only special product that I'm adding at this time was the retinol. I'm going to be using the retinol for 2 weeks. I'll keep sharing the updates. But if somebody has tried something else and you can let me know in the comment section, and we'll keep doing this journey together. Bye bye.